Sup everybody, FULLSCREEN here, back with another video, but this will be a tutorial on Apex, which is a problem that occurs with some people that have two monitors, and it's quite annoying when you start up the game and it's in window mode, and when you try to put settings on full screen and go out the game to restart it, will revert back to window mode. And the problem is that Apex Legends does not support, two monitors. So I'll show you the problem first and then tell you how to resolve it in a quite unusual way. Well, it's not unusual, but it's a pain in the butt. So if you can see, the game, it's in window mode. So what you will see, what I'll show you is that, so when it started up and go to the settings, if you can see, it's in window mode. So I will put it to full screen, but nothing applies. So I think, wait, let's just restart the game to be sure. And then when you open the game up, it's back again in window mode, and it's really annoying. So what you have to do to fix it is quite annoying. As I said, you just have to unplug, not the wire to power it, but just unplug the HDMI or DVI, or DisplayPort. Just unplug it, which I will do now. If you can see, everything moved through here as my games and just the tab of OBS. And yeah, so that's actually what you have to do. So when I start up Apex, I don't know where it is. It's really messy. I'm probably blind. There you go. It's in full screen. If it's not, just go back to the settings, put it on full screen. Wait, maybe it is on borderless window, as it did one time. So we'll open up the settings and see in video that yes, it is on full screen. So this is quite helpful for the people that want to create videos or have just a little more gain of FPS, since I don't know why, but in full screen I have heard you can get maybe just a few more FPS on your game. I mean, it's depending on what specs your PC has or laptop, I don't know, but it does gain some FPS. And if you want to create quality content like I want to do later in my next video, then yeah, this is probably how you have to do it. And I know it's really annoying, I know, but yeah, this is probably the only way for now, since many people have been suggesting to the game developers on Respawn Entertainment to fix this problem. I mean, I hope they are currently on it, but for now you have to just unplug the cable that's wired to your PC or laptop. So yeah, that will be the video, and I'm gonna play a game. See you later, everybody.